Okay, if you're watching this, then I have likely sent you some forms to fill out for a dependency. This particular video is about doing dependency in Alabama if it's contested. What does contested mean? It means that either the mother or the father do not agree with giving you custody. Okay? If the mother and father both agree with giving you custody, then you'll have a different set of forms to fill out. Okay, so first of all, what is dependency? Dependency is when someone who is not a parent is filing with the court to get custody over the child. So anyone, whether it's a relative or even a non-relative, can file for custody over another child, and we file it in juvenile court, and it's called a dependency action. So what do you need to do now that we've decided we're going to file a dependency action? We've likely sent you a link, and there are two forms that you'll have to fill out depending on whether it's contested or uncontested. Here, we're going over contested. You'll first have to sign a petition for dependency. Again, first you're going to fill out those forms. That's going to help generate a document. Then I'll look at those documents, make changes as we see fit. Then you're going to sign the petition for dependency first. You're going to sign a child custody affidavit. You're going to sign a complaint, and there's another petition e-form. So there's 4 forms that you're going to have to fill out. If we're filing for emergency custody, then we're going to have more forms to fill out because we've got to show the court that immediate and irreparable harm will befall the child if you're not given immediate custody. Next, we have to serve necessary parties. Who are the necessary parties? If the child is 14 or over, we've got to serve the child. We have to serve the mother and we have to serve the father. Next, we've got to pay a filing fee. After we pay the filing fee, we'll serve both the mother, father, and the child. A guardian ad litem will be appointed, and then we'll have a court hearing. So what is dependency? Here's the legal definition of dependency. If you want to look it up, it's 1215-306. Basically, the definition is the child has no parent, legal guardian, legal custodian, or other suitable person able to provide supervision and care for the child. The parents can't take care of the child, is what you're saying. Legal criteria. When we file a petition, we'll have to explain why we're filing for custody, and these are all the code sections that allow you to file for custody of a child that is not yours. Parties involved, who must be served, mother, father, child if at 14, the roles and responsibilities of each father. In a dependency action, the mother and the father both can get free lawyers. So once they're served, they'll have an opportunity to actually get a free lawyer. Role of a guardian ad litem. A guardian ad litem is an attorney that represents the best interests of the child. That doesn't necessarily mean what the child wishes to do. It is that attorney's job to look out for what's best for that particular child. Filing procedures and fees. The fee is $90 in Etowah County. The court cannot grant custody without a hearing unless we file for emergency custody, and we have to go through some specific steps to get emergency custody. And even if we get emergency custody, there has to be a hearing within 72 hours of that order. So there has to be a court hearing.